Everyone, welcome to the channel. This is HP Deskjet. If you have a printer showing error light and also the power on button, all the lights flashing except Wi-Fi button, how to sort this out? Warning light on your printer control panel and the document is not printing. What you need to do is you need to press the power on button once. Once you press it once, then you wait. That will resolve the issue. The printer will print out the first page document, and after that, it will print out the job you have on the printer. So once you press it once, then you wait for the printer to print out the job. It will print out a blank page, and after that, you still need to wait until the Wi-Fi light is steady for the connection to establish. Then after that, the light is steady, it will print out the document you want to print. Thank you.